The human body is an incredible thing. Millions of biological processes and functions occur in our everyday lives, most of which occur without us ever realized. Perhaps the most fascinating among all biological processes occur during puberty, the gateway to adulthood. Puberty allows humans to become capable of reproduction, which is essential for the proliferation of our kind.
Let's meet Tom and Cath. The two have been inseparable friends since childhood. However, lately, Cath has been looking a little different. Usually, girls tend to reach puberty before boys. Cath started getting taller, developing breasts and hips, and eventually growing pubic hair. Meanwhile, inside her now womanly body, an ovary has been maturing an ovum or egg. Sometime after, the egg then finds its way into a fallopian tube. It will stay there for quite some time to be fertilized. However, in the absence of potential fertilization, it will pass through the uterus in the form of menstruation. Today, she got her first period. She freaked out, but sooner or later, she would get used to the monthly cycle.
However, boys are usually quick to follow. Lately, Tom has been gaining height. His hands and feet grew in size, even his genitals too. Inside Tom's testicles, millions of sperm cells are produced. Sperms are trained and mature in the epididymis in preparation for conquering the female's body.
And when teenage boys and girls begin to resemble men and women, they begin to develop sexual feelings for each other, driven by feelings and hormones. As teenagers, Tom and Cath engage in the complicated world of premarital sex.
One starry night, an ovum lies peacefully within Cath's fallopian tube, waiting for a mate's sperm to be fertilized. On the other hand, Tom's sperm cells are now ready for their journey through the woman's body. The bell has rang, signaling the sperms to get out of Tom's manliness.
Without the spermatozoa, the egg is bored to death. But here comes the sperms. The battle is on between sperm cells, as one may only be deserving to win the egg. A few survived, but the acids in the vagina eliminated the survivors and left the egg unfertilized.
The same incident takes place again. This time, the sperms are trapped inside the sheath. This material is made of latex and is commonly called as condom. Most people, teenagers and the like, engaging in premarital sex tend to use this protection for unwanted pregnancy. This time, the sperms aren't able to make any contact inside the female's sex organ. Tom and Cath concluded the pregnancy while still having sex.
Sex has been Tom and Cath's drug. They got into it so quick, and now there is no way out. The mutual sensation they feel every time they make contact is so addicting. They just can't get enough. They won't get rid of it.
To continue satisfying their worldly cravings without the girl getting pregnant, Cath decided to take in pills. Birth control pills prevent the egg cell from maturing. An immature egg is incapable of fertilization even if sperms are present in the process.
But one day, Cath forgot to take in her medications. While having intercourse, Tom also forgot to put on protection. The sperms reached the fallopian tube on which the mature egg is located. Sperms broke into a fight, leaving some casualties.
Later, the vagina would release acids to kill the remaining pack. One clever sperm only stood out. Only one. In the end, it was declared the winner. It immediately united with the egg, producing now what we call zygote. This is called conception.
The egg stays in the fallopian tube for about 3 to 4 days. But within 24 hours of being fertilized, it starts dividing fast into many cells. It keeps dividing and dividing as it moves slowly through the fallopian tube to the uterus.
Its next job is to attach to the lining of the uterus. This is called implantation. Within 3 weeks, the cells begin to grow as clumps, and the baby's first nerve cells have already formed. Cath is definitely pregnant. They didn't see that coming. A baby is an extremely large responsibility. It must be fed, clothed, played with, cared for. Realizing the possible circumstances, Tom ran away, leaving the baby and all the responsibilities to Cath.